Hi, boys and girls. So if you watched the second video at the end, I realized that my words were backwards, so I needed to switch to a different camera. And we're going to go ahead and go through our trick words now, and then we're going to enter our new trick words into our student notebook, okay? So here we go. I'll say it, you say it. Into, to, a, and, of, the, they, I, said, one, was, as, has, or, for, you, your, we, he, she, be, me, is, his, do, does, and then our two new ones, have and from. All right, so we are going to go ahead and get out our student notebooks. We're going to get out our octopus book, and I'm going to try and do this with you the best I can, because if I switch my camera, I'll have to do a different video, and I want this all in the same video. So I would like you, we're going to do the word have. We're going to do the word from first. So if you could go to page 77 in your octopus book, you should already have the trick word for, and we're going to put in the trick word from. Okay, so go ahead to page 77. It's way towards the back of your book. I'll give you a minute. If you need to pause your video, go ahead and pause it, and then go ahead and hit play when you're ready. So we're going to do the word from on page 77. Go ahead, I'm going to go right under the word for. I have a blank space under F, and I'm going to write from. So I'm going to do F-R-O-M. Okay. For and from. We're going to do from right here. F-R-O-M. If you need to, go ahead and pause the video right now as I'm holding the book up to help you finish. Remember, page 77. And then we're going to go to the next page, and we're going to do the trick word have. Okay, so we're going to just turn, I believe it's just one page. Yep, one page. We're going to go to page 78. And you should already have has, his, and he under H's. And then we're going to do the next word, have. Okay, so page 78. Go to the next letter, H. And we're going to do the word have. H-A-V-E. Okay, have. H-A-V-E. Okay. All right, and once you are done with that, if you need to pause the video right now to take a look at my page, go ahead and do that. I'll leave it here for another couple seconds. And then once you're done with that, you need to get out your dry erase board. Okay. Let's go ahead and do our dry erase board. This is the last part of our Fundations lesson for today. All right, so we are going to do 3 current words. We're going to do a word with AM and words with AN. We're going to do 3, and then we're going to do 1 sentence, and we will be done for the day. And you do have a Fundations assignment to do on Seesaw, so make sure you complete that when you're finished, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and do the word, let's do pan. So, P-an, pan, okay? P-an, pan. Go ahead and write that on your whiteboard. So we have P-an, pan. Oops, and I forgot to put a box around my glued sound. So go ahead and put a box around your glued sound. The next word we're going to do is the word ran, like I ran so fast. So ran. So R-A-N, ran. Make sure you box your glued sound. Ran. And the last one we're going to do is the word, let's do a nonsense word. Let's do zan. So z-an, zan. Z-an, zan. Make sure you box your glued sound. Z and zan. Okay? All right, once you're finished with that, you are going to go ahead and erase, and we are going to do one sentence together. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase my board. We're going to do one sentence together. Let's do the sentence. Ben had a red and tan hat. So here, let's figure out how many words. Ben had a red and tan hat. So 5, 6, 7. So 7 words, okay? So first word is Ben. B-N. Ben. Okay, so capital letter B-N. Ben. Okay, you should have a capital B. Ben. Next word is had. So add. Had. So add. Ben had. Next word is A. So trick word A, nice and easy. Go ahead and circle your trick word A. Ben had a red, red. So ed, red. Next word is and. Trick word and. A-N-D. Go ahead and circle your trick word and. Ben had a red and tan. There's a new word with a glued sound. And tan. Make sure you box your glued sound. And then last word is hat. At. Hat. And period at the end. Okay, let's take a look at our sentence. If you need to pause me, if you need a minute to finish, go ahead. So you should have Ben with a capital B, B-E-N, had a red and tan hat. Ben had a red and tan hat. Make sure you circle A, make sure you circle and make sure you box the A-N that's glued. Okay, if you need to pause the video while I'm holding the board up, go ahead so that you can finish your sentence, and when you're done, you can erase and move on to your assignments or a different subject, okay? All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you later for your reading lesson.